Hello, today I'm going to show you about a strange bug that I discovered a few months ago where I get different languages in the menus of Office programs and the Visual Basic Editor after changing from English UK to another language and back again. Related article for this is at isledogs.co.uk Office VBE menu language glitch, and you can see here that I've got English language for the Office menu, but I've got Spanish for the VBE at the same time. Let me show you this in practice. Now, the reason why I often change languages is I have a number of programs to translate Access apps, and therefore I test them out in Spanish and German and Italian and so on. And as you'd expect, then at the moment I'm in English UK and both menus are correctly in English. Let's now go to Access Options, Language, and just to stress that my default is English United Kingdom. English United States doesn't suffer the issue I'm about to show you here. I'm going to change this then to Spanish. Set as preferred, click OK. You'll then get a couple of warnings saying that you need to restart Office, so I'm going to do that now and start it again. And as you'd expect then, the Office language is now in Spanish, and indeed correctly so is the Visual Basic Editor. That's absolutely fine. Let's now go to File Options again, go to Idioma, which is Spanish for language, and I'm going to change that back to English United Kingdom as my preference. Accept that, close, restart, and this time I didn't shut Office, so I'm going to do that completely. Right, we're back to English again here, but if you look, when I open the VBE, it's still in Spanish. Now, in order to fix this, I've got three different solutions that I've found. Instead of changing back to English United Kingdom, I can change back to match Microsoft Windows English United Kingdom, and then amazingly it works in one go. I could also change back to English United States, that would work. The third possibility, the one I discovered first, was that I should just move Spanish down a slot. Let's close that, reopen it, and now as you will see we have English back again here. So any of those methods work. Basically we need to ensure that that second change happens. Let's just give you a quick summary of what I had to do. The prerequisites to see this bug: you need Access 365, 32-bit or 64-bit. I haven't experienced it in earlier versions, but your experience may vary. You must have English United Kingdom as your Office language. By default, English users will be offered English United States. I deliberately specified English United Kingdom when I installed. You need obviously at least one other non-English Office language installed for testing. This will apply to not just for Spanish, but also to German, Italian, French, any other language as far as I know. Steps to reproduce then. First of all, you change the Office language to e.g. Spanish. You close and restart Office for that to be implemented, and you correctly find both menus are changed. Change it back to English United Kingdom, close and restart. The VBE menu remains in the other language. So to fix, you've got three possibilities. When you change back, move the second language further down in the languages option sort order. Any position other than second is enough. Or instead change back to match Microsoft Windows English United Kingdom. It seems to do both things at once. And thirdly, you could, if you wanted to, change to English United States. There aren't many differences between the two languages here, but there is another strange glitch which I meant to show you earlier. And so if I just go back into Access briefly, and if I go to a table and go to the alternate row color icon, you'll notice that the caption text says alternative row color. Well, that's not correct. It's not an alternative, it's alternate. But for some reason they got it wrong. And if I go to the form menu here, just close that, and I'll go to form datasheet, you can see it up here as well, alternative row color. Both of those should have been addressed by now by Microsoft. They were pointed out to them a few months ago, but they haven't yet been fixed. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. As always, if you found it useful, please add a like, leave a comment, suggest topics for future videos, and please subscribe, and then you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. See you soon. Hopefully this problem will be fixed in the near future.